Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to restore your old sun-faded trim, such as the one that I have right here, to look brand new, quickly, cheaply, and effectively with only a $15 kit. So this right here is the Wipe New Rust-Oleum kit that I purchased from Walmart. I think it's like 10 or 15 bucks depending on where you go, whether it's Amazon, etc. I'll leave a link for it down below. But guys, I've been using this stuff for years and it genuinely works. I've used all the trim restorers out there on the market, literally from every company, and they're all kind of like snake oil and only work temporarily. This stuff uses a ceramic that basically locks in the restoring of the trim and keeps it looking brand new for literally years to come. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to apply this. It's super simple. Like I said, I highly recommend this one, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you guys can see, the trim just over time, it's gonna wear out. It's gonna lose that like wet black look that it typically has from the factory. So basically we're gonna go ahead and restore this. So opening up the kit, I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that's included inside. And so inside the box is gonna come with some rubber gloves to stop you from getting this on your skin. And then you can see here, we're gonna have 3 little prep wipes basically. You're just gonna use these to clean off the area that you're gonna try to restore. So we're basically just gonna wipe it down with a prep wipe. And then from here, this actual wipe it packet is where the actual solution is gonna be on. That's actually gonna restore the trim and lock it in. One thing I will say, you do not wanna get any water near any of this. If you get water near this little wipe it pad, you're basically gonna go ahead and ruin the whole restoration that we're trying to do if you get water on anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so here we're gonna go ahead and get the prep wipe pad, and we're basically gonna try to be as careful as we can not to get any of this on the carbon fiber, etc. You can tape this off, but I'm pretty careful, so I'm not gonna do that. You're really gonna wipe down the area with the prep wipe, just like this. And you're basically just gonna wipe down the whole area and just get inside all of the little nooks and crannies that you can. You're basically just trying to clean off the whole area before you start restoring. And you'll see in a minute, but this black color is basically going to be how it's going to look at the end. But yeah, go ahead and hit the other areas. Sweet. So now as you can see, it is wet, so we're really going to let this just dry off. And once it's fully dry, we'll go ahead and use the Wipe New. So let's go ahead and get back to it once it's dry. And now we can go ahead and use the same prep wipe on all the other surfaces that we intend to restore. So we're going to go ahead and go to the other side, clean this side off. Sweet, so now we're going to go ahead and get our Wipe New packet. So this is actually going to be what's restoring. Go ahead and get all the fluids and stuff down to the bottom of it. Now we're going to go ahead and tear this open. And be extremely careful not to get this on your paint, guys. Now this towel will be really soaked, so we're going to go ahead and start restoring. And you basically want to not drench the area you're working with. You just want to hit it with some nice even strokes. And as you guys can see, I'm pinching this under the glass so I don't get this on the glass because it will be on there permanently if you do. And I'm trying to get it not to touch the glass itself, just the trim, just like that. And as you guys can see, there's a huge difference from before. It'll look a lot better once it's dry, but you can see that's actually like wet and dark now. You see how faded that this one looks, and then look over here at that one, and that one's extremely dark and looks nice. So now, same thing here. Hit all the edges. Just be careful not to get it on the windshield, because like I said, this is like a ceramic, so if you get it on the windshield, it's gonna leave a pretty noticeable looking mark. I basically leave it to dry for a few hours without any moisture or anything like that getting on it. And then from there, if you still see some oxidation, you can just pop open another packet and yeah, basically just go ahead and re-hit it one more time. And you can literally use this on anything that's like a dark color. You can literally pop open the hood, use it on any of your covers or panels or anything under the hood, and I promise you it'll restore it and make it look like brand new. I definitely call this product an overall success. For 10-15 bucks, you can restore all your trim looking nice and neat and like full black color rather than all old and dingy and sun damaged. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll leave a link for the product that I purchased down below. as well as all the other links for everything else I use on this car. If you're not subscribed, go and smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more content to come. As always, I love y'all for the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.